Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add an FAQ page to our Wix website. So here we are in our Wix website. So I will scroll down to an area where I want to add the FAQ. For example, right here, I have a blank section right here. And then what we'll do, we'll go to Add Apps, click on it. And from the up market, we will search for Wix FAQ. And then we will add this into our website. So just click on Wix FAQ, and then if you haven't added yet, it will just say add to site, and then just click on it. So in this case, it already says add again since I used it earlier, but we'll use it again. So just click on add to site and then wait for it to load, and then there we have our FAQ section added to our website. So you can adjust this if you want. Adjust the size of this, and then if you want to edit the questions, just go to manage FAQs, and then a dashboard will open up. Then from here you can edit the questions that is listed on the page. You can also delete some questions if you want. So for example, I don't need this question, I can just delete this, and then it will automatically be shown in our Wix website. So if you want to add another question, just click on the add new button and then click on FAQ, and then for example, I just put a sample question right here. And I have a sample answer right here. If you're done, you can click on save right away. But if you're not, you can choose some different categories right here if you want, and you can also add a new category. And then you can also use some of the features right here, like add a video, add an image, add a gallery, and so on and so forth. So here are all of the buttons right here at the bottom of the answer portion if you want to use it. But once you're done, just click on save, and then the answer that we the question that we created is now added into the general section. So if we close our dashboard and then go back to our website, we can see that it will take a while to reload the FAQ section, but we can now see that our question is now here at the FAQ section for our website. So if you want to view this, just click on preview, and then we can see that our question is right here in our FAQ section. And then you also have different categories right here. So if you want to edit the look of your FAQ section, so let's just go back to our editor, click on the FAQ section. So make sure you're clicking on it, and then you'll have this highlight, and then just click on settings, click on display. So if you want to edit some other display right here, for example, you want to change the title, you can also opt to don't show the title, and then you can also change the title text. Instead of frequently asked questions, you can just make it FAQs, and then you can have a search bar if you want, or you can also disable it. So in my case, I'll just disable it. And then for the layout, you can also choose the look of your FAQ. So in this current setup that we have, we are using an accordion FAQ, but you can also use a list layout of your FAQs, and you can also do numbers. For example, I'll just use numbers, and then you can also choose where you want to put the categories. For example, above the FAQs or beside FAQs right here. So I think above looks better, and then you can also adjust the title alignment if you want it to be on center or on the left side. And then, so once you're done editing the layout, you can also choose the design. If you want to change some colors right here, so automatically Wix will decide an automatic design for your FAQ section which matches the look of your website. But in case if you want to change some other things right here, you can also change it. For example, the title is in blue. You might want to change it into black. So that's fine. You can just change it right here. But you will also have the theme colors right here that Wix suggests that will be able to reflect or like look like the theme of your website. So I'm happy with this, so I'll just choose that. And then you can also choose the background opacity if you want to make it lower or higher. And for example, I'll choose a background opacity like that, so the background is now changed to blue. But you can change the opacity if you want. So I'll just choose the 0%. And then that you have this one. So FAQs and categories, you can also choose if you want to display the FAQs only or with the categories. And then you can also choose which categories that you will show into the FAQ page. And then moving on to expand behavior, you can also choose if you want to open one answer at a time or enable a slide down effect, so that's up to you. And then for social sharing, you can also show if you want to have social media icons in your FAQ section. And that is basically it in how to set up your FAQ section in your Wix website. And I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.